Hi guys, Daryl here, easy cooking the New Zealand way. Well, today we're taking a different approach. Still cooking of course, but we are trying something new. Now we've come across this recipe for these, they're like a little bun that you can obviously put whatever toppings or whatever in the middle, whatever fillings I should say in them. They are keto friendly, maybe, keto friendly. I'm not up to play with the keto diet, so I'm not going to say that they are part of the keto diet or not. But my wife's been doing a little bit of research on the keto diet and I'm prepared to try some new things. So here we go. We're going to try something new together. Alrighty, so here we are. Got the table set up. Now there's not going to be much movement because I'm still suffering from a bit of an injury and my apprentice is at school. So I've got the almond flour right here, got the egg. It calls for cheese, cream, baking powder and cayenne pepper. Now the ingredients list will be in the information section of this video, so please check them out. But you want to preheat the oven to 180 degrees, that's for sure. So you do that now. To the bowl you add the flour, that's the almond flour. Then we want to add the cheese. So just finding it a bit difficult to move around. If you watched my last video, I got my apprentice to cook for me. So that's the cheese, sorry. Baking powder, basically all the dry ingredients. And the cayenne pepper. Put them aside. I just want to give it a bit of a stir up. I like my nice red spoon actually. I'll just get something comfortable. So I got this spoon a little while ago, but it's a wooden spoon with a rubber coating on it. It's actually really good for mixing cakes. I do like the wooden spoons better though, because wood has got that natural property in it that helps fight germs. So, no, we're not in the kitchen lesson at the moment. We're in a baking lesson. So we've done that. So we want to have that whisked. I'll do it in this bowl. I've got a little whisk. I'll just go grab it. So I got one of these. Yeah. It's actually really handy instead of having to pull out the egg beater all the time. Just chuck that in the bowl that had the cheese in it. Not very organised. We're learning as we go, you see. We want that whisked. It's probably a bit noisy, but to make her well, pull the egg in. Oh. And then we just mix it together. And then we go and we add the cream. It's kind of awkward because I can't pick the bowl up. Here we go. There. Next up, we just want to I don't know how big we want them. I'll rise up a little bit. And once that's cooked, you put a little topping on there. It's completely up to you what you put on there. But if you're sticking to a keto diet, obviously you want keto friendly food on there. And these here just go in the oven for 15 minutes. So I'll get these here made. Smells good. That almond flour smells really good. So I'm going to try some more recipes. It's not cheap. For those of you that are in New Zealand, there's almond flour at Countdown in their, whatchamacallit, in their gluten-free section, is it? Yeah, gluten-free section. And it's quite expensive. And then you can go to the baking aisle and there's almond flour there. They call it almond meal, which is the same. The one in the gluten-free section still has the brown husk on it, and the one in the baking aisle hasn't. So we got the one out of the baking aisle just because I don't think I wanted the husk in it. Probably doesn't make any difference. But I've never cooked with almond flour, so if these turn out right, we'll start doing some other recipes. Try to do a recipe a week. Now that made 5. We could have made them probably a bit smaller maybe. I don't know how much they'll rise or anything. There's baking powder in there to get them to rise, so chuck them in the oven and have a look when they get out. Okay, so I just got, just before I went to put them in the oven, I just got a little bit of guidance from the boss. My wife, she said make them fatter. So we've gone down from 5 to 4. And so hopefully they rise a little bit, but saying what we want to do is cut them open and fill them up with bits and pieces. So don't make them flat like you did first. Right, now they're going in the oven for 15 minutes. Alrighty, so we have them out of the oven. As you can see, they didn't rise overly too much. They're quite warm, quite soft, quite warm. We're going to put them on the cooling rack and let them cool down. And you can obviously see some of the ingredients that we're going to put on it. We've got some cream cheese, got some clearly premium salmon, and some lettuce and whatever other stuff we chuck on it. But we'll let them cool down, fill them up, and there'll be some pictures at the end of the video. So hope you enjoyed this one. Thumbs up. Make sure you click the subscribe and the bell notification so every time I do a recipe you get a ding ding. But until next time, keep safe and keep cooking. Okay guys, so we've made those little scones, I'd actually call them scones, with the almond flour, the paprika, the cream, the egg, and the cheese. Now, just before this you would have seen some pictures, or after, it depends when I cut it into the video. But I couldn't end the video without actually trying them in front of you. There we go. Cream cheese, salmon and lettuce, basically what was on the table. That's the lettuce. Now what I would say is I'll alter the recipe so it doesn't have so much cayenne pepper. Really good though. When you stop. They're soft. It actually tastes just like a scone with a really big hit of cayenne pepper. Right at the end though. So, until next time, keep safe and keep cooking.